Are you a homeowner looking to put your home on the market? If so, let me tell you the 5 things that you need to do to attract top dollar. 1. Clean and declutter. A clean and clutter-free home is more appealing to potential buyers. Clean your home thoroughly, remove any excess clutter to create that more spacious and inviting environment. 2. Make necessary repairs before putting your home on the market. Make a list of low-cost repairs such as leaky faucets, changing light bulbs, patching holes, and cleaning or replacing grout in the kitchen and bathroom. You may want to consider a home inspection up front if there's significant work that may need to be done. 3. Enhance the curb appeal. First impressions are so important. You want to make sure your home looks its best. So, trim the landscaping, make the front look welcoming. 4. Stage your home. Staging can help potential buyers envision themselves living in your home. So you can rearrange furniture, add decorative touches, and create that cohesive look throughout the entire home. And finally, 5. Price it right. In today's market, as a seller, you want to be competitive with your list price so your home doesn't become stale. This is why it's so important to work with an experienced real estate agent to show all the current market data and the sold comparables in the neighborhood. Contact me today so I can help you strategize the sale of your home and guide you every step of the way. I'm Allison Miller, helping you bring it all together.